social geek is here because he is the social geek. He's Jesse Stay, always bringing some great stuff. Always great to have you.
Always a pleasure, Dave.
All right, you've got some really cool stuff, and this is stuff you would think might be for kids, but it's so much fun for just about anybody. If you have kids and have these products, you can really have some fun with them. Let's see what we have.
Absolutely. I had a lot of fun building these with my kids. So as a dad, this is a lot of fun to get down with your kids and play it. I've got two things here right now. We've got the Lego Dimensions here. This is their starter pack for the Xbox One. They actually sell this for the PlayStation. I believe they have one for the Nintendo Wii. It sells for about, right now it's on Amazon for $49.99. I think it retails for about $89.99 typically. So,
wow.
So good deal going on right now from what I know. They sell these little packs. I got the Simpsons pack right here. And the way it works is if you've ever played the Lego games within the Xbox or PlayStation or whatever, there are these games that you can build Legos within the game. They give you missions to go and accomplish, and you build Legos in order to collect things and do those missions. Well, this actually allows you to build things in real life and take a real life building of Legos into out from outside the game and put it back into the game, and it brings a creation aspect in real life into the gaming process of the Lego series of games. So
that's like literally stepping into a video game through one of these items.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. My kids have been playing this all week. They love it.
I can see why. That is fantastic. Lego always has had such great stuff. And now this is completely new to me. I haven't seen anything like this, and it is really cool, guys.
Yeah, so I was recently at CES last month, the Consumer Electronics Show, and they had this on demo. This is the Jimu robot. This is their Buzzbot and Muttbot kit, and it allows you to build one or the other, either a little dog Muttbot or a little robot type Buzzbot. And I went I actually built this with my kids last night.
I'm guessing that's the Mutt.
This is the Mutt, okay. And it's kind of like Legos, and it has little pieces and stuff that you can take and put together, and they connect to little motors that then connect onto.
So you've put motors in here.
Yes. So there are actually little motors. Each of the legs is a motor, and then the head is a motor too. And then you connect things on top of them, and they connect over Bluetooth to a mobile app right here that I've got on my phone. I have it on an iPad as well, so my kids can play it on the iPad. It's ages 8 and up, so it's really easy to play. And on this one, you can do little actions here. So like I've got we'll just do a little celebration right here. This says celebrate. Click that. Whoops. And
he celebrated a little too much last night.
A little too much, yep. So, but as you can see, he has his little moves that he can do. He'll jump around and stuff.
And you're literally doing this with your phone.
Yes, I'm doing it with my phone. The cool thing about this is there's a code part too, where your kids can actually write programs for it and program it to do different things. So it teaches your kids how to program and do coding and software development with the robot.
Wow, so fun and educational. What's the price on something like this?
This one right here is $149.99. You can get it on Amazon. You can get a lot of the electronic retailers sell it.
All right, Jesse Stay, the social geek. Where can folks find out more information about you?
You can find me on, if you go to facebook.com/stay on Facebook or socialgeek.tv.
All right, Jesse, thanks a lot. Always great to have you. And we're not done with Jesse. Stick around, folks. He's got some more really cool stuff to show you when we get back.
Making your world